Hey there, smart shoppers.
Welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel where we help you make the best purchasing decisions. Today we have an epic showdown between two treadmills that will take your fitness game to the next level. On the left, we have the mighty Cursor Fitness home folding treadmill, and on the right, we have the sleek and powerful UREVO under-desk treadmill. Let the battle begin.
The Cursor Fitness home folding treadmill comes in at a jaw-dropping $299, while the UREVO under-desk treadmill demands a slightly higher price of $399.
Now, I don't know about you, but $100 can buy me a lot of pizza.
Just saying. The Cursor Fitness treadmill boasts a quiet, brushless motor with a max 2.5 HP, providing efficient and reliable operation.
Plus, it emits only 40 to 65 decibels of noise, so you won't disturb your downstairs neighbors or that grumpy old man next door. Sorry, Mr. Grumpy Pants.
On the other hand, the UREVO treadmill also has a powerful motor, clocking in at 2.25 hydrogen phosphide.
It's like having a mini rocket engine strapped to your feet.
And don't worry, it's super silent, so you can exercise anytime, anywhere without making enemies. The Cursor Fitness treadmill comes with a real-time heart rate monitor built into the handrails. It's like having your own personal fitness coach, keeping track of your pulse rate to ensure you're working out correctly and efficiently.
No more excuses for slacking off.
But wait, there's more.
The Cursor Fitness treadmill also boasts a digital LED console that displays your time, speed, distance, calories burned, and heart rate.
With 12 preset programs offering different exercise intensities and the option to customize your own workout routine, you'll never get bored. It's like having a personal trainer in your living room.
Now let's move on to the UREVO treadmill.
This bad boy is a 2-in-1 wonder. You can use it for running or get this under your desk. Yes, you heard me right. It's perfect for those workaholics who want to burn calories while replying to emails. And here's the cherry on top. The UREVO treadmill comes with a remote control that has a one-key function to eliminate the prompt sound.
So no more embarrassing treadmill noises during your conference calls.
Trust me, your colleagues will thank you.
The Cursor Fitness treadmill has got your back with a generous 5-year warranty that covers the frame structure for 5 years and parts for 1 year.
Plus, they have a dedicated Cursor Care service team based in Los Angeles, providing 24/7 support. It's like having customer service superheroes at your beck and call.
But wait, the UREVO treadmill also offers a 1-year warranty and high-quality after-sales guarantee. And guess what?
They have their own UREVO Sport app, where you can connect your treadmill and access your workout reports.
It's like having a personal fitness diary in your pocket.
Overall, the Cursor Fitness home folding treadmill has been praised for its convenience, ease of use, and affordability.
Reviewers highlight that it is perfect for home workouts and provides a good workout option on days with bad weather.
On the other hand, the UREVO under-desk treadmill has received positive reviews for its compact size, ease of use, and effectiveness.
Reviewers have found it suitable for walking during the workday and have praised its solid build, versatile performance, and quiet operation.
And there you have it, folks. The epic battle between the Cursor Fitness home folding treadmill and the UREVO under-desk treadmill. Both offer incredible features, but it's up to you to decide which one suits your fitness needs and budget. Remember, smart shoppers always do your research before making a purchase. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit that notification bell so you never miss a comparison showdown. And as always, stay smart and happy shopping. Bye!